Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, do it. So, how can you fucking even sit here? How can you sit here and say that the fucking earth is flat? What do you mean go look at... Dude, there is thousands of pictures of Earth from space. There's so many space pictures. Like, how could those all be fake? There's so many pictures. There's thousands of satellites taking pictures all the time. I mean, there's an abundance of pictures. I see them all the time. You said go on NASA.gov, go on NASA's website, that it's all fucking cartoons. It's all cartoons on NASA's website, right? What the fuck you mean it's all cartoons? What the fuck you mean it's all cartoons? I'm on NASA's website. Look at this, they got this crazy picture of the aurora. Look at this astronaut Scott Kelly and his twin brother in the camera that's going fucking crazy out of focus. That's out of focus. Alright, fuckers. They're all... This is a long one. We're going to have to cut a lot of this out. That sounds like a crash. How can you see and tell me that all the photos on NASA.gov are cartoons? You really believe that? I don't fucking buy it, dude. I don't think you actually believe that. You know, I think you're just, I don't know, on drugs or something. There's no way. You know what? Fuck it. Fine. I'm gonna go on NASA.gov. I'm gonna go on NASA's website. And I'm gonna show you, man. There's so many pictures. There's so many of them. I mean, look at this one. A crab walks through time. Chandra Extra. Look at that. Look how freaking crazy that looks. That's space. Space is, you know, like what's his ass said? Like it's, you know, it's not, you know, it's so complex that it doesn't have to, you know. You just don't understand it because you're so simple-minded that you just you can't process how amazing this. Look at this colors, this blue, purple, thing. It's a X-ray. The Crab Nebula was one of the first. This is the Crab Nebula. Look at that. It's just amazing. It's amazing. That's space, man. Let's find some more. I mean, that's proof right there that we're on a ball. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Stephen Hawking with the globe behind him. You know, fuck. Look at this one right here, man. I mean, that's... What is that? That's the space station flying around Earth You know, you can see the stars, and there's some kind of fucking death ray looking thing that's coming off of there. I mean, obviously that's a real photo here. And we got the moon, man. It looks like you're right up in there. Must be one of those rovers that they got on the moon there, taking that picture or something, right? That's from man, look how close that is. Look at that. Look, I mean, look at this. That can't be a graphic. I mean, that totally looks like a real photo. It does look kind of digitalized, man. Fuck. I don't think that one's real. But like that one looks pretty real. Like a photo, like that could be a photograph. Does it say if it's a photograph? Credits. This view from NASA's Dawn mission shows where ice has been detected in the Northern Wall series. June's create almost permanent shadow. Credits. Full image and caption. If it says it's an image, does that mean it's a? Does that mean it's a photo? If it says it's an image, I mean, it looks kind of fake. It looks digitalized. Looks like a video game. Come on, what's it say? Are they saying it's a real picture even? Mission Dawn, target series, spacecraft Dawn, instrument, framing camera. What the hell is a framing camera? I think that means it's a real picture, right? Framing camera? Is that just a regular camera? Wow, look at these. That looks... Yeah, that's a picture right there. It's all this crazy colors and stuff. Lots of crazy colors. Okay, but we're looking for pictures of Earth. Prove that the Earth is a ball, because like we can look at all these other goofy space pictures. That really doesn't say anything about the shape of the Earth. It just says that there's a lot of space pictures. So we want Earth. Earth. Look at that. Okay, so Earth from space. We can try Googling Earth from space too. See what we come up with, huh? Earth. Yeah. Okay. I mean, look at that. You know, right here on the main thing here, right above this crazy thing here. But look at the curve, man. You can see the curve of the Earth right there. It's a curved ball. You're saying that's a fisheye. It's a fisheye effect. This is actually a flat and well, I mean, fisheyes do exist, you know, that's what happens when you use a wide angle lens. It creates that distortion like that. But no, man, I don't believe that. I think that's real. That's the curve. That's the curve of the Earth right there. You know, that's high enough right there. Whatever this altitude is, that's high enough you can see the curve of the Earth. That's the curve right there in accuracy. What are these guys? Cloud gazers? He's taking pictures of the chemtrails with his phone. Cloud gazers. Alright, let's get back to all these space pictures, all these pictures of Earth, all this massive amount of evidence that not only suggests that Earth is a globe, but actually proves it, well, proves it beyond a reasonable doubt that Earth is a ball. So, oh yeah, all these pictures of Earth. So we're on the Earth page, topic Earth, images, and oh, we got videos. Okay, so let's check out all images Earth, NASA images Earth, and let's see what we come up with. Obviously, okay, well this one here, I've done night photography, and obviously Oh, come on, images, Earth images. Let's go back here. Earth images. Okay, now we're gonna slow the fucking internet down. That's nice. Can't even load the page. Load the page. Okay, so alright, this one here, I've done night photography, so this is, you know, this is, when you're there looking at it, okay, this one's not really, you know, this was a long exposure, and probably actually did a filter, you know, there's probably some, you know, like this here, how the stars are so bright. It was a long exposure, probably increased the saturation, probably increased the highlights to make this, you know, nice pretty picture. That I've done that before, so that's kind of, you know, I know that one's been, you know, manipulated, I guess, so that's not, and like that's not proof of a globe. We're looking for proof of a globe. Okay, so this one here, NASA satellite sees fires. Okay, here we go. Look at that satellite photo of the Earth. Can't really make out it's a ball, but look at all these little red dots that, and you got this, what is that? Oh, that's the outlines of the states. Okay, so that one's been fucked with. Alright, so we're looking for real photographs here. There's so many of them. We're gonna find them. We are going to find them. Okay, we got the rockets. But no, we want actual pictures showing the curvature. Wow, look at that crazy shit. Oh, look at that. That's a nighttime. Okay, look, you got a definite, some curve there going on. And look at this. It's a night picture. You can see all the city lights. That looks real. I mean, I guess that could be a wide angle lens too there. Those lights. Man, that looks weird. But yeah, I mean, that's just, it looks weird, you know, because you don't have, you know, you're up on a plane and you pretty much, it kind of looks like that, right? Yeah. And it's just higher. But yeah, look at that. There's a curve. You could see the curve in that one for sure. I was looking for the ball. But that's totally curvature. Look at all these. Look at these. I mean, satellites. You're saying there's no satellites in space. Look at these. How can you get these without satellites? There's no planes that go up this high. Obviously, that's. Man, is that a crisp? That's a crisp picture. I mean, look how deep the colors are and stuff. NASA's Aqua satellite. NASA's Aqua satellite captures smoke billowing off California's coast. Man, look how fucking crisp that image is, though. I mean, like, it's taking a picture of Vegas from the mountains around it, and it's fucking hazed out everywhere. Wow, look at the fucking detail and crispness of that. It's hard to believe that. Well, whatever. Okay, so either way, we're off topic. We're looking for pictures of a globe. All the pictures of the globe, because there's fucking millions of them. Fucking millions of them. That, you look. Come on. The ball. Pictures of the ball. Pictures of a ball. Okay, so none of these. Okay, there's from the space station. That's an airplane, obviously. Oh, here we go. Ball. Look at that. Look at that curve, man. Look at that. They're so high. What is that? Is that the space station? That's just this. I'm guessing that's the space station. Space station, yeah, this is the space station. It threw me off because I didn't see that stupid little rotating radar dish thing that they usually put in the pictures. Oh, wait, is that it right there? No shit, that's it right there, I think. Wow, it's just pointed the other direction, I guess. Moves around. Look at that curve, man. Obviously, that's a ball. I mean, that's. You know, you can't really, by this alone, you can't really say it's a ball. Like, the curve doesn't really seem consistent. It seems like it kind of peaks here, and this seems kind of more like a line, you know. Like, this seems round over here. This seems kind of like a slant. That looks a little bit weird. Is that because it's like pudgy, like Neil deGrasse Tyson said? It's, you know, it's oblate, it's not a perfect sphere, that's why it doesn't look quite right. Or is that because of fisheye? I mean, is there anything else curvy in the picture? I mean, is that straight? We could try putting a straight line on that and see if that's a straight line. That should be a straight line, I would think. But, yeah, okay, fine. I guess that could be a wide angle distortion. So, like, the pictures of the ball, though. Let's find, okay, where are we at? Do we get out of here? Earth images. Earth images. Wow, look at that. It's just amazing how these pictures. Wow, look at that. That looks real fake. Man, okay. Real pictures. Real pictures. There's millions of them. Yeah, okay, so we got a yeah, I mean that's the Earth from turquoise rolls in the Black Sea. May 29, 2017. The Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectrometer, MODIS, or NASA's Aqua satellite captured the data for this image of an ongoing phytoplankton bloom in the Black Sea. The image is a mosaic composed from multiple satellite passes over the region. Fuck, I thought that was real. I thought that was a photo. That's them stitching together data somehow. Photoshopping, and what do they use? Well, whatever. It's NASA, man. They're fucking smart as fuck. They got all these resources, man. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Is that supposed to be a picture? What in the fuck? I don't know what the fuck that is. That's really weird looking. Okay, come on. Fucking Earth. Okay, Earth from. Let's do Earth from. Let's just Google this shit. Earth from space. Let's Google it. Because you know what we're looking. Look at all. Okay, here we go. Images of the ball. Let's get some reliable sources. I don't know what popsci.com, is that a reliable? What is popsci.com? Sounds like it might be a legit source. Popular Science. Is this the real Popular Science? Popsci.com. Best images of Earth from space. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. 10 exceptional images of Earth from space. Well, it says images, but you know, you keep saying a fucking photo is not an image. Or I mean, there's a difference between photos and images. All photos are images, but not all images are photos. So they're saying this is an image. Which one was this? Life on the pale blue dot. Blue marble in 2012. The blue marble image of Earth captured in 2012? That's the blue marble? I thought the blue marble was 72 and then they did like version 2. I thought that was it 2012? Is that the version 2 of the blue marble? I thought it was 2015. Okay, so they're saying, okay, this is 10 acceptable images of Earth from space. Look at that. Look at that. How can you say it's flat? Or a plane that how can you say it's not a ball? How can you say this doesn't exist? Well, you gotta believe that's, I mean, you have to believe that's a real photograph, dude. Does that look like a photograph to you? I mean, look at it. Study it. There's no way you could ever prove or disprove that that's a real photograph. But looking at it, I mean, use your senses. Does that look like a photograph you could take? Or does it look like, you know, does it look like it's been put together digitally? Look how, you know, you take a picture outside at a distance and you got all this haze. Look how crisp that is around, you know, the clouds compared to the earth, the water, to the land. Is that a photograph? Is that supposed to be a photograph, or is that, yeah, we don't even know. Is that a photograph or is that a image? Oh, we gotta go take a look at that pale blue. You remember the pale blue dot? The picture from way the hell, and we just look, you know, because we're so insignificant. We're so insignificant. Look at that. Okay, this is the epic Earth. That one, see, that looks like an image because look how, you know, you can barely, I think that's some continent, no, that's, you know, you can see land, it's looks kind of hazy and shit. It's not this bright blue. That kind of looks like the iPhone. Kind of looks like the iPhone one. That was just totally a Photoshop. We know that one was a. You know, I know that one's fake. You know, it's the iPhone thing. They just, you know, that was just to look pretty. That, what the hell? Earthrise. Is that the moon? That's the moon. So they took. That's Earth from the moon. Earthrise. Okay, let's see. Earthrise. Dubbed Earthrise, this image was captured in October 2015 when NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, was 80 miles above the moon's surface, traveling 3,580 miles per traveling 3,580 miles per hour. Despite the name of the picture, it's a picture. It is a picture. They said it. It's a picture. Despite the name of the picture, viewed from the moon, the Earth doesn't actually rise because the moon is tidally locked, which means one side is always facing us. Look at that. That's. Wait, the thing was going 3,580 miles an hour and took that picture? It took that picture going 3,580. Look how crisp that is. How the fuck? I mean, what the fuck kind of camera? They got, well, it's NASA. They got stabilization and fucking million megapixel cameras and shit, man. So you can take a picture at 3,500 80 miles per hour and get it that crisp, I guess. Look at the moon, man. Look how blue that is. That looks, well, they say it's a picture, so it's got to be picture's a photograph or is picture an image? I mean, that's a snapshot picture, right? Earthrise. Oh, okay, let's try Googling it. Alright. Is Earthrise a real photograph? Let's see what comes up here. Well, I wish they showed pictures of Earth from the story of the Earthrise photo. Okay, well that looks different. It's just, so probably like a set. It's probably like a set, like a gallery of pictures. So Earthrise gallery of pictures. Blah 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 blah. Come on. What kind of camera was it? What kind of Earthrise photo? Photo. That's important. Not image. Photo. They're saying it is a photo. What kind of camera was it though? Alright. I'm getting tired of this one. Let's go back on NASA's website. So we know we're looking at some shit. Okay, Earth. Let's go back to Earth. Let's look for a video. So I mean, there's all kind of, we're spinning, so there's all kinds. There's gonna be, let's look at some videos, man. So video, if a picture's worth 1,000 words, then a video's worth, 1,000 pictures, millions of words, I guess. All right, NASA space laser, dinosaurs, hottest year. That's so weird. Science cast views of home. Here we go. This looks like that Earthrise. Is this a video? This is a real thing, I think. Okay, 4 minutes long. Let's watch. Look at that. Look, what? Why is it all hexagons and shit?